Jamaican wanted on murder charge arrested at Florida airport after trying to flee the US. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A Jamaican man who was being sought in relation to a murder of a man in Nashville, United States, was arrested on Sunday while trying to flee the country on a flight out of Fort Lauderdale back to Jamaica. Brandon Swaby, age 20, was attempting to fly home to Jamaica, according to a release from the Metropolitan Nashville Police Department on Sunday. A Nashville arrest warrant has since been issued charging Swaby with criminal homicide in relation to last Tuesday's murder of 22-year-old Christopher Brandon McCabe on Donelson Pike near the Nashville International Airport. The police in Nashville report that McCabe made an arrangement through Facebook Marketplace on Monday, April the 4th to trade his BMW sedan for Swaby's Dodge Charger. The following evening, the BMW, which was driven by McCabe, broke down on Donelson Pike, resulted in the man continuing the journey by driving a relative's SUV motorcar. A dispute further ensued between both men, during which McCabe was fatally shot inside his SUV. It is further reported that Swaby traveled to Atlanta at some point in time after the homicide. He flew in this morning, that would have been on Sunday, from Atlanta to Fort Lauderdale, where he was taken into custody by U.S. Custom and Border Protection agent with the assistance of federal partners, said a release from the Nashville Police. Swaby will be held at Broward County, Florida jail pending his return to Nashville. Links 007 TV will track this story and provide you with the latest information to come on this. Thanks for watching.